When you think about the organizations working behind the scenes, Volunteers of America Mid-States is one that touches a lot of lives in a lot of different ways, from helping people, finding stability, providing resources and support when they need it most. VOA has been serving our region for decades. And here to tell us more is Donna from the VOA. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having us.
You know, a couple weeks ago as well, you came on to talk about your back to school drive, helping the kiddos get back to school to start on the right foot. But you actually do so much more in the community. It really doesn't matter what population you're in, whether you're helping veterans, while you're helping seniors, the homelessness, kids in our area. I mean, you've been doing this for 125 years. Isn't that incredible?
And we've actually now celebrated our 130th year. So we are thrilled to be working in Kentucky, Tennessee, West Virginia, and Clark and Floyd County in Indiana. We're a human services organization that provides a huge variety of services and programs. And it's not just so important that we're marking our 130th year, though that is something to be celebrated, but what's been accomplished over those years with the help of the community.
Yeah, I mean, you probably can't even put a number at how many people you have helped in those 130 years.
That's a lot.
I think that also just speaks to the longevity, the amount of help that you have done in our community. So, you know, how has the organization really evolved over those 130 years?
We've always been responsive to the needs in the community. We don't just come in and do a cookie cutter approach, but we assess what's needed. So we have 7 different human service lines. We help veterans who are struggling. We feel like if they've sacrificed for us, they need our help at times. We help people with intellectual and developmental disabilities and provide around-the-clock care for them. Unhoused families, we provide housing supports for them. We have a VOA Work division that works with people who are underemployed or completely unemployed to access work. We work with youth in the justice system to make amends for maybe a mistake they made that we don't want that to affect them for the rest of their lives, and they're able to make some changes. And we also have a health division where we connect people in underserved communities with high quality health care, and we do HIV screening with them as well.
Wow, so again, it sounds like you can just help anyone and everyone and anyone in between. If you, come to help and you don't have something, you're probably gonna make it happen for them.
And our addiction recovery program for pregnant and parenting moms and their kids get to live with them while they undergo treatment for substance use disorder as well.
Yeah, and so when someone comes to the VOA for help, what does that first step really look like?
We listen to the client and hear their story. We want to know what's been happening with them and how they survived thus far, because they bring a lot of strength and resilience. And we tap into that strength and offer them information, resources, linkages to services, and really develop a plan with them so that they can move forward with their lives and address the challenge that they're experiencing.
Yeah, and a lot of organizations, they do kind of have that checklist of going through the motions, which I think is fine, but why is it so important to really tailor that approach to every individual?
Because that's what's successful. If we don't listen to what's been happening with them and the challenge they're facing, then it's not a long-lasting, enduring solution. And we serve 8,000 people a year, from our beloved newborns in our addiction recovery program and in our homeless family shelter to our treasured seniors who are struggling financially and with other issues.
Yeah, it's so powerful what just sitting down, talking with them, learning, what they've gone through, so then we can make that progress forward. And you actually have a really unique perspective. Tell us about, what really drew you to VOA and what keeps you going every day.
Learning that people were homeless and did not have a place to lay their head at night was startling to me at age 20. And now I'm 63 and have been working with it that long. And it really behooves us as a community to step forward and help the most vulnerable, because they can go on to achieve amazing things. We've had people go on to get PhDs that were in our homeless family shelter. So we capitalize on their strengths and help develop a plan forward for them.
Yeah, and to be around, I guess, now over 40 years. I mean, to see and just the impact just you have made, but we need some more volunteers. We always are looking for volunteers. I mean, it's in their name, right? So if people are interested in helping out, in volunteering, in learning more, maybe there's an organization that wants to partner with the VOA to help, fulfill those services. How can people learn more?
We definitely partner with a lot of organizations, and we can't accomplish our mission of creating positive change without the wonderful support that we've had from the community over so many years. Ways that they can connect with us are through volunteering, if you're with an organization, reach out and see if there's a way that we can mutually serve our clients or ways that we can enhance efficiencies and be more effective. They can come on a journey tour, which is a 1-hour tour, actually in the room where it happens. Come on site to one of our programs and really engage with us in that way and see it up close and personal. And then always I invite people to go to our website, www.voamid, and that's voamid.org, and learn how you can support our work monetarily or otherwise.
Yeah, so many ways to help out, Donna. It's always a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you for including us today.
You are so welcome. So if you are interested in learning more, you can head over to voamid.org to learn more.